In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money with Wise, a simple and efficient platform for transferring funds internationally. Whether you're paying a friend abroad or managing business transactions, Wise makes it quick and easy. Let's walk through the steps so you can start using Wise for your global money transfers. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Wise homepage. Make sure you have an account or sign up if you're a new user. Once you're there, you'll spot the Send option. Click on it to initiate your money transfer. This section allows you to specify details about the transaction you're about to make. Next, you'll need to select the region your recipient is located in. This is crucial because it determines the transfer currency and processing time. You'll find a list of available regions or countries. Simply click on the one you're sending money to. With the region selected, it's time to decide the amount you want to send. Enter this amount carefully, and Wise will automatically display the conversion along with any applicable fees, so you're always informed about how much your recipient will receive. After entering the amount, it's time to add a recipient. You can do this by either selecting an existing contact or adding a new one if you're sending to someone new. This includes the beneficiary's details, like their name and bank account information. If you've sent money to them before, you can also select them from your recent contacts, which saves you time and avoids repeated entries. Now, before proceeding, review all the details of your transaction. Take a moment to double check the recipient's name, account details, the amount, and any additional fees. Ensuring everything is accurate here is key to preventing delays or errors in your transfer. Once everything looks good, click on Continue to Instructions to proceed. You'll then be prompted with the question, what type of account will you make this transfer from? At this stage, select an individual account. If you are transferring funds for a business, you'd choose a business account. For this tutorial, we'll use an individual account. Confirm your choice by clicking Continue. You'll now reach a point where you've set up your transfer details. If you've already made a bank transfer, click on I've made my bank transfer to proceed. If you prefer to transfer the money at a later time, that's possible too. Simply click on and I'll transfer my money later to schedule the transaction for a more convenient time. And there you have it. You've learned how to send money using Wise's straightforward platform. Keep these steps in mind, and you'll find managing your international transfers becomes a hassle-free experience. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring with Wise.